The concept of a quantum cloak typically refers to the idea of using quantum technologies to create a device that can render objects invisible or manipulate the way they interact with light or other forms of radiation. It's a theoretical concept that draws inspiration from the field of quantum physics, specifically quantum superposition and entanglement. In classical physics, the behavior of light and other electromagnetic waves is governed by Maxwell's equations. However, at the quantum level, the behavior of particles and waves is described by wave functions and probabilities. Quantum superposition allows particles to exist in multiple states simultaneously, while quantum entanglement enables the correlation of the properties of particles even when they are physically separated. The concept of a quantum cloak proposes using these quantum phenomena to manipulate the interaction of light with an object, thereby making it invisible or causing it to appear as something else. The idea is to create a material or device that can control the path of light waves around an object, effectively bending the light around it. This would create an illusion of transparency or cause the object to blend seamlessly with its background. While the idea of a quantum cloak is intriguing, it's important to note that it remains a purely theoretical concept at this time. The development of a practical quantum cloak faces significant challenges, including the precise control of quantum states, the ability to manipulate light waves on a large scale, and the mitigation of decoherence, the loss of quantum coherence due to interactions with the environment. It's worth mentioning that there have been some experimental demonstrations of cloaking devices using metamaterials or other engineered materials, which can achieve limited forms of invisibility by manipulating the propagation of light waves. However, these approaches are based on classical physics principles and do not rely on quantum effects. In summary, while the idea of a quantum cloak is an exciting concept in the realm of science fiction and quantum physics, its practical realization remains a topic of ongoing research and exploration.